Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to send a post to LinkedIn on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly I'm gonna open my LinkedIn applications, of course. And now if you wanna post or start a post, you just have to tap on this button at the bottom, the plus icon, which is the post icon. Just tap on it. And then in this page, you just have to type your message in the text box like this, and then click the post if you wanna post it. For example, here I'm gonna make a post like this. And also you can add media like photos or videos by tap on this media icon, and then you just have to choose the photos or the media that you want to edit. And here I don't want to add any photos or medias. And then here at the plus button, you can also add the events and celebrate and etc. guys. If you're done, you just have to tap on this post button. And you can also here manage the post will deserve to anyone or only connections profile, yeah guys. You can change it at this options. So if you're done, you just have to tap on this post icon. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, the tutorial how to send a post to LinkedIn on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.